welcome to episode 3 of Moving Out with Larissa, and this is the 4th of December. From now onwards we start setting up the house, and I'm just going to take you through what it actually takes to set up a whole house. There is no gas cylinder, there is no proper like some boards are not working properly, some bulbs are not working properly, there's no Wi-Fi in the house. All these things that usually get fixed really quickly in Mumbai, but Goa, it's pretty difficult. So I'm going to take you through it. Stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun for you. It's going to be hectic for me. So our first stop for the day is Newton supermarket. It's like the biggest supermarket which has like literally everything. So we need to buy some groceries and things for the house like dal, rice, honey.
Basic necessities.
Basic necessities only. Let's do that. Okay, we're back from the supermarket. They didn't allow us to shoot inside. This is the long bill. We've gotten everything except fish. Ne?
Yeah.
Except fish, we've gotten everything. I spent quite a lot, but I think this will suffice us for the whole month. Okay guys, update about my internet service. So yesterday when I called the internet guys, they said it's going to take 20 days to install Wi-Fi. And I was like, what, are you serious? Because I remember, I shouldn't be comparing, but I remember in Bombay when I wanted a new connection, a new Wi-Fi connection, they did it in a day, and here I was like completely shocked. Another thing that's very crazy about the Wi-Fi here is that it's super expensive. It's like 10 times the rates of Mumbai, and that got me thinking. Here, if I have to spend on an unlimited plan, I have to pay, say for example, if I need it at the speed of 10 Mbps for a month, I have to pay 3,500. I remember paying that for 16 Mbps for 6 months in Mumbai. Just imagine. So if you ever plan on moving here in Goa, just remember, internet is a scene, especially if you're a creator and if you need high upload speed. It's the December 4th and we have no update on our house help either. She was supposed to come yesterday, but you know, the thing about house helps is always like this. You don't get them. I mean, if you get them, you have to hold on to them. Sometimes they just don't come, and sometimes they go back home and things like that. Anyway, it's evening time now and we are thinking of playing some badminton. Excited about that. Taz is also excited. Okay, like I said, we're going to play badminton today. I don't have the badminton rackets, so we're going to Siddharth's place quickly to pick the rackets. This is so exciting. Like, can we go to your house to pick the rackets? And it's like 5 minutes away. I never thought we could ever say that to each other. Correct? Yeah! He's like my personal booty call. I can call him anytime if I want a kiss. It's the 6th of December. We are at this mall called Mall de Goa in Goa, and it's I think the only mall here. I'm so used to going to the mall all the time, and this is the only place where there's everything in one place. We don't know what we want to buy, but we have to get a lot of home stuff. Our house help comes today, so we have to get her some stuff. So our first stop is Big Bazaar because you get literally everything, especially home stuff, and we don't need really expensive stuff at the moment, so we're going to Big Bazaar. Okay, so I'm shopping here at Big Bazaar and I bumped into some viewers.
Hi.
Are you guys shopping for home stuff or you're just home stuff only? And you guys stay in Goa?
Yes.
This is the first time I met my viewers in Goa after moving to Goa, so it's exciting. What are your names?
My name is Vanya.
Vanya and
Riza.
Riza. Nice to meet you guys. Thanks for saying hi. Okay, so I just picked up some towels and some hand towels. Yeah, I think we need to pick some bed sheets. So we got done with shopping at Big Bazaar. We kept our bags in the car and now we are going to this place, this store called Market 99. There's actually no home stuff store at home or home center here, and I really miss that. The only thing you can do is buy online. Or there's this store called Market 99 has some stuff here in the mall. That's the only place in the mall that has home decor items, and I think it's quite reasonable. It's not that expensive because it's not branded. So let's check it out. So this is what it looks like, and it has a clearance sale. So we bought a lot of stuff from this place, and I don't know if it's going to be worth it. but it looks good. So guys, we're back home and we've picked a lot of things, especially from the shop called Market 99. It has a lot of interesting items. They're not really good quality and they're not like really great stuff, but I think a few knickknacks in my house from that store would do really well. Some candles, some random stands, but they're all in gold. So I think they would do well. So let's get started. This candle stand, I'm not really a fan of this on the side, so I'm going to remove it, but I got this. You can put your candle here, or oh yeah, you can remove your candle and then you could put it here. I got this for 400. If this was in a store like Home Center or something, it would be around 2000 rupees. I got this thing to put my cotton pads. Then I also bought some really cute planters. I don't want to make a habit of keeping fake plants in the house again, because my previous house had fake plants, and when I travel, that's the best thing because I don't have to water them. But these are really cute to just put it in the corner, maybe in the bathroom or something. Some candles. This candle holder, look at this, it's so cute, and I got this for 229. Now you have to look at this. This is like a lamp, but it's battery operated. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And I brought 2 of these, and then I bought 2 of these. It's a different design. This is for 449. Again, something like this in an expensive store would be around 2000 bucks. I also bought like a set for the bathroom. It's very simple, it's nothing too fancy. It comes with a holder. This is the holder. So this is what the whole set looks like. I brought this candle. It's in this container. I think it's so cool. I got it from the Flame store. It's a store in Goa, and it has, I think, 3 stores here in Goa. I think they're only in Goa, and they have the best of clothes and best of home decor. It's a pretty cool store. I've spent so much of my money there. I also bought this candle holder, which is in the shape of a lotus. I think everything in gold looks nice. So, you know, if you have a lot of gold and cane stuff, I have a lot of cane stuff in the house, so I think this will go really well with the cane stuff. So this comes on top of this. You can just keep it at the corner, or you can put a candle inside. Again, the finishing of the product doesn't look that great, but I think it does the job. It's fine, it's nice. One more interesting thing is this lantern with a candle, a fake candle inside. It looks like it's half over already, and there's a wick that's dancing inside, and when you light it, it looks like there's a real candle inside the lantern. It's so nice. That's about it. Then there's some Ziploc pouches and other random stuff that you usually need for a house. So this is a lantern. It's made out of cane. I brought it from Bandra. It's on the Masjid Road, and I think this is like my star piece. I really want to put it in the middle of the room, but I think it's going to be too big and it's going to like bump into people's heads. But let's try and see how it looks. Oh! So today is the 8th of December, and finally got the Wi-Fi connection. We've just gotten the wiring done, but it was so much of a hassle. Like, look at this. This is the wiring that's done, and you know, because I mean, it takes so long, it had to be dug here. And this is the wiring. So I got the Ethernet connection. I'm paying like 5,000 per month. Internet is like really expensive here. I wanted like proper 25 Mbps upload speed because that's very important for me. But yeah, the wiring is done. The connection should start by today if the tech team comes. They just take so long. Now it's been 5 days since they told me that they're going to do it, and look at this. Right now I'm heading to get my sofa refurbished. The sofa in the house is extremely ugly. I need to change it to a different color cloth, and also some more foaming because it's fuss from inside. So let's go. This is the hideous couch I'm talking about. It's actually doable, but I don't know, I think it just kills the vibe. It's just not my color of choice. I was thinking of going for a green or an orange because orange is more like my color, like nice and bright and bohemian chic. Look at this. Why is he staring at me like that? Yay! Come back orange. Guys, we have progressed. It's the day of the internet connection, and I'm so excited. I just hope this is done by today. Currently, I am plant shopping for my house, and this is elephant ears. This is like a grown-up elephant ear, and I'm getting it from Eden Gardens here in near Mapsa. It's quite big, and it's It's very pretty. It's literally taking an army to transport my plant. Yay! I really like this one. It's called the bird's nest. I'm really skeptical if it would look apt inside the house because the elephant ears are so big. It's going to take up a lot of space. So after I put it in, I'm gonna see what else I'll need. I also took like 4 money plants. Everything is waiting in the truck that's taking my stuff because the elephant ears won't fit in the car. But I'm so excited. Finally, I'm getting real plants. All this while, my house had fake plants because I'm always traveling. Now I have a house help, so she can at least water the plants. We're also buying some curry patta. So while I was taking a video of the place, I told the guy who was showing us the plants that I have a YouTube channel and to subscribe to me. So I got new subscribers and he's going to watch my video. I always do that whenever like I'm around and I'm like vlogging. People get really curious to why I'm taking videos. Let's see how the plants look in the house now. Hello guys, it's the 10th of January and you see a very different Larissa, very different hair color. Things have changed and a lot of things have happened in the past month and I'm ready to show you what the house looks like. Not the whole house but at least the living room, and maybe I'll show you what the bedroom also looks like. There's a lot of change but there's so much still to do. It is so much work to set up a house, especially if you're very particular about aesthetics. And although I have been successful at doing whatever I could, let's show you what the house looks like since the past 1 month. So this is the corner. We brought the plants and this is the beautiful couch that was turned to orange. This is the chairs. I brought a lot of stuff from Fab India. This beautiful carpet is from Fab India. This is the table that was in my previous house also, and I colored it green. The top, it was brown, I colored it green. All these cushions are from Fab India. Picked this up on my way from Mumbai. Cane stuff. The plants look so nice. The plants look so nice. This one is thriving. This one's living a good life. I love how it's getting all the light. These are cane chairs that Siddharth's mom gave me, and this is the beautiful elephant ears. So 2 of the leaves died. This one's, oh my god, this one's almost dying. They say that most of the times the leaves, like one leaf dies in say 10 to 15 days and then another one comes, and it's usually something called transfer shock. I don't know. Siddharth said that it's transfer shock and it's literally what it says. The plants are shocked to move to a new location and that is why they die, and sometimes they live well but sometimes they die. But I think this is, I mean, it needs more light. It needs to go outside, I guess, but it's getting some light here. I think it needs direct sunlight, like really good sunlight. This one you see is done. This one's my dining table, which is a mess at the moment because this is my workstation currently. I need to still set that up. I have a cute situation here. I brought this stand from IKEA. I put all my plants there. This one's fake. This one's real. And I have my cute little mini bar. I think I'm gonna put like a carpet here and another like big carpet here. The tree has to come down today and things will be much better. What do you think, guys? What does it look like? I think it looks perfect. I'm gonna get one more like huge ass plant that will come here and replace the Christmas tree because the Christmas tree will go down now. Bring another plant here, and this is the staircase that goes up to my bedroom. Let's go. Okay, I'm so not used to vlogging with a bad background, and that is why please don't mind. This is my bedroom and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Not the best, but it's somewhat like all right. So this is my bedroom. This is my carpet from the previous house. A mirror right here. This is also from IKEA. This was theirs. This is my stuff. This is my stuff. This is my bed. My furnishings are from Fab India. I brought the TV from downstairs. I brought it here. This is my dresser from the previous house. I want to paint it. It looks disgusting like shit, but I want to paint it. All this needs to be done. This needs to be emptied. This is the iron board that was there already. This is the couch that was there downstairs, which was a grey couch. I got it refurbished, and I got this floral print on it. You know what? I'm going to tell you something interesting. I actually did a Christmas vlog also, which will be coming up soon, and I spoke about this, but this room, I'm going to make it into like something Victorian and change the whole theme. Not keep it like the bottom room. I'm going to keep it very different so that it has a different vibe. I want to put like nice chandeliers up here. It has high ceiling, so I think it's going to be super interesting. Put some nice vintage things here. I think it'll spice up the whole feel, the whole vibe of the house, and each part of the house will have a different fun to it. You see, this part is still a mess, guys. It's taking too long. And that's my walk-in closet. Currently, I have my parents visiting, so they're sleeping there in the walk-in closet. There is a bed in the walk-in closet. I think I already told you that it's the owner's beds. They have a bed in each room. I can't really help. I can't even like dismantle it because it's proper beds. Anyway,